So what we did today was, again, had a really big, nice market access order at 193. We went long to get that breakout, but we eventually got to stop there. We did come close to, 193 break of high today, but it got to stop out. And then we came back up, both Brian and I, long added more, and we did that break of 193. And I do have the screenshots on that. After that, we just got out of it. Market really sold off. We were thinking of getting, buying on the previous day close, because that's usually an area that you can potentially get a reversal on NVIDIA, but it never really hit the previous day close, so we missed that rally. Another trade was Tesla. Obviously, Tesla, we wanted to get a really nice opening range breakout. Tesla was really clear on market atlas for 1 minute opening range breakout. So I did trade it, I think, twice through TSLL. So went long one time here, but it was kind of a little bit extended. So came down, I went long again, and we got this move out of it for a very decent profit this morning. And TQQ was another just boredom trade that when it hit that S4 on TQQ. So we went long here. So this is S4. So you can actually see it in this chart. So this is the S4. We went long, but quick pop, and then we sold it. And after that, it came down. So that was a quick trade. And in total, we got into about $27,000 profit, which was nice. Brian, how was your day?
No, it was a good day. Now the Fed, I'm surprised. I almost would have thought that this would cause the market to sell off if the labor market is getting stronger. Then the Fed won't be as quick to cut. So I don't know.
All right, AMD has big orders, 220. AMD is interesting. SXL is popping up. AMD daily chart is kind of meh.
AMD looks AMD is looking kind of interesting. NVIDIA is looking interesting. PLTR is red.
Markets all-time high, very close to all-time high, huh? Yeah, 698 is the all-time high.
For the SPY, yeah. Yeah, there's a couple things here that look at NVIDIA's looking spicy.
It's very
So is
strong.
AMD. I think one or two of the one or either one of those could be a play out of the gate.
All right, NVIDIA is already running up. It was a really good order at 193.
Oh, look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is ripping. So is AMD. So is the SPY. So are the Qs. So is Apple. Apple's breaking out too. Okay. 1 minute. Uno minuto.
All right, so 1 minute to the open, guys. Brian, what are you mainly watching? NVIDIA is really nice.
Oh yeah, NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA or AMD. The SPY is breaking is a new high here in the pre-market.
All right, good morning, BBT. It's going to be an amazing day.
Should be. Yeah, Tesla looks good too. Hey, ding, ding, ding. Here we go.
All right, so let's see what NVIDIA is doing. Selling off now. We do have orders at 193 still. Could be a good long for 193.
They got long on that pullback.
Not a bad idea. I'm gonna add me too. 192.45. There you go. Went up. Let's see if we can get 193. 194. Nice order. Let's see if we can get there. Tesla popped up too.
Yeah, I was thinking Tesla was looking pretty good too. AMD is struggling.
All right, so I'm long in NVIDIA, guys, for the break of 193, hopefully 94. There you go. It popped up.
There we go.
Nice.
Diddly doodly. There we go.
Thanks, Brian, for the good trade. Nice.
Nice.
If we can hold it, it can go to 194. That would be nice.
Yeah, I sold some at calls at $3. I'm trading 192.50s expiring end of the week.
Yeah, so I'm really looking forward 194. So we broke the 193. Haven't partial yet. Daily chart. Daily chart is really interesting toward 194. Maybe I should have partialed.
Yeah, I've partialed a fair amount already. I'm just worried about how extended we are, and the Qs and SPY have kind of stalled. Okay, I'm getting out of the rest because it's getting close to my break even. All right, now Tesla's looking pretty good. Wow.
Tesla, yeah, Tesla is pretty strong. Tesla is the place to be.
Yeah, I was toying with the idea of either going long with Tesla or long with Nvidia.
All right, let's see what we're gonna get with NVIDIA. Most likely it's gonna get stopped out. But Tesla, yeah, Tesla is really clear. Orders on Tesla, 435.
Yeah, Tesla. Yeah. Holy crap, man! This was where I should have been. Fuck.
Yeah, Tesla is gonna go to 435. Very beautiful.
Yeah, 435. There's an order there.
It's gonna go to 435 like a boss.
I see it pull back. Maybe I'll try and take an entry if it pulls back a bit. Yeah, AMD is struggling. So is Nvidia now.
All right, beautiful.
It's
Tesla,
not pulling back.
Tesla is clear until 440. Wow. Now 436, 438, we have orders.
Yeah, there's a big one at 440.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm still long NVIDIA, but I'm losing my hope.
Yeah, I'm not liking Nvidia price action anymore. So I'm kind of glad I'm out of it.
Shopify is hitting the scanner. Yeah, 5 minutes now is not really great. Hasn't lost the VWAP, but it's definitely not something that you want to be in there. 195 is still a big order on NVIDIA. Tesla could be a good place to add. I'm going long TSLL 1730. See if I can actually be a long position on Tesla. Let's see if NVIDIA can also make a move.
Spine cues are selling off. We're down to the VWAP.
NVIDIA looks like it wants to go. Let's see if you can go for the 193 one more time. TSLL is going 1740 and partialing some at 1741 in TSLL. Yeah, NVIDIA is definitely struggling.
Yeah, careful. The market's looking a little weak. We'll see if these we hold the VWAP here, but it doesn't look. Looks like we're dropping from there.
Yeah. I'm getting out of my TSLL, so I gotta stop that on my TSLL. Yeah, NVIDIA is also very bad 5 minutes, so.
I'm short the cues. 615s puts.
Tesla is pulling back.
Go back above the VWAP here. I'll get out. Wasn't a great entry.
All right, I'm going to get out of my NVIDIA trade. I think NVIDIA has the chance to come back up, but if it comes above 192.50, I might get back in there. Just the longer that it stays here, it just bothers me.
It looks like it's going to drop.
Yeah, I just didn't get a really clear break through it. And sometimes happens.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Tesla is pulling back. Oh, Microsoft is selling off.
Yeah, look at Tesla drop. Wow. PLTR is dropping. There they go, the cues.
Tesla still has the big order at 440.
Okay, I'm still short the cues.
Reds. So 435 is the level right now on Tesla. I'm gonna get a long through TSLL. See if you can go back to 435. I put a stop loss at 1705, so 1715 is my line. I want to see if you can actually get. I want to see if I can get back to 435.
Excuse me.
So 435 is the near high of the day on Tesla. And then after that 436, and then potentially we can break out. What I like about Tesla is the daily chart. Daily chart is way more clear than NVDA. TSLL has more room. See if we can get to back to the high of the day. NVIDIA is selling off.
I'm just going to sell some cues here. Some of the puts we might just hold here. Yeah, so I'm out of the rest.
Right, let's see if 435 on Tesla is going to go. It's probably would be near 1735. NVIDIA is selling off.
Yeah, NVIDIA is selling off more.
AMD is trying to come back up. What's the AMD book look like? Atlas. Not super great. All right, Tesla looks like it's going up. All right, Tesla took the 435. Now I have the days at 436. I'm long through TSLL, guys. I like Tesla daily chart.
I'd be worried about a double top here on Tesla.
Yeah. I'm gonna get another long on NVDA, 191.65. Let's see if NVDA is changing the course back, comes above the VWAP toward that 195 that we had. All right, yeah, NVIDIA is now 193, 193.50. Oh, okay, nice. Nice. Let me add a little bit more on NVIDIA, guys. See if we can go to 193. I'm still long on TSLL as well, guys.
Feels like we're going to get into a chop fest here.
All right, NVIDIA looks like it's squeezing. Let's see if we can break this 192.50. As you see the orders, look at my market atlas. I'm actually recording this one too, so for a conference in Vegas. See if we can break the 193.50, 193. I'm partialing now here because I had the loss, so I want to make the profit. Nice. Oh, beautiful. And NVIDIA. Nice, guys. See the
nice
how
break 5-day. Yeah.
Very nice. All right. TSLL is going up to 1735. Yeah, 194 now is very clear. Again, so see, this is the area that I hope to get through. TSLL, I'm partialing some here at 1733. But Tesla is very similar patterns. Hopefully that it can break the high of the day. If I want to go to Tesla. If I zoom out on Tesla a little bit, let's see what's happening. 1736 is a level, which is near high of the day. Obviously through TSLL, we want to get that 1740. My stop loss on TSLL is at break even around 1720. NVDA is going to go through 193 as we expected. Now 194 is the NVDA coming. Nice. So
I'm long some cues just because it just looks like we're rocking here to the upside. It's taking some off.
lovely. Yeah, we're sharing some more TSLL, 1735. Let's see now, NVIDIA is rejecting the high of the day. But my entry is good, and I have orders at 194 and 195. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it.
Well, that was a big pop and drop. Whew. AMD is going through yesterday's high now. AMD is rocking.
Yeah, I saw it. Oh, yeah. I saw AMD as well. All right, NVIDIA is coming back. So even though NVIDIA did nice rejection, sorry, break of high of the day, but it might reject. So still we have the orders 194, 195. Zooming out, yeah, we don't have a lot of things down there, but again, it's not only the orders, the price action also has to follow. So I might get out of it if it comes to VWAP. TSLL. Let's take a look at Tesla. 436 is a level. Obviously 436 is near high of the day. My trades would be 1790.
Still an order at 440 on Tesla.
Yeah, there are some beautiful levels at 436, 437 as well. Nice. Okay, so he's gonna go. Tesla. Come on, 436, break the 436. All right, NVIDIA, I'm getting out of NVIDIA, guys. I had a very nice trade on NVIDIA. I'm all out of NVIDIA.
I'm flat right now. I don't have any positions on.
That would be nice if Tesla can break the 436, so I have this recording for presentation. That would be really nice.
Yeah, PLTR was short at the open. You could tell it was kind of it was really weak going into the open.
I can actually put some orders up there in case the price goes there. SPY is just below the VWAP with a small gap up.
Yeah, it's dropping again. We're at low of the
Now
session on the
this,
SPY.
this is my break even on Tesla. AMD was
Let's
like
go.
engulfing as well. All right, let's see if Tesla is stop me out or it's going to give me some nice breakout toward 436. And again, I'm trading it through TSLL, which is a 2 times leverage ETF. All right, most likely I'm going to get a stop.
I shorted the SPY trading. I'm just trading two SPX puts, 69.70s. I sold one. I think we're heading lower.
No, I'm not long NVIDIA, guys. I got out of it.
I wish I had more now.
Yeah, I'm getting out of my obviously the TSLL trade, guys. It was a nice trade. I did make some profit, but it seems that the price action is not really supporting. Looking at SPY obviously is not strong. Qs are definitely not strong. So looking at both of these, I decided to not to take the trade, but I had a really good profitable day. So, and again, speaking about the appetite, you really want to control your appetite. So both NVIDIA and TSLL, very solid moves that I got, and you take some really solid profit. My guess is these two are gonna continue going higher, but they might do some fluctuation right now.
It is below the VWAP. Tesla's looking like it's going to go there. It's right on the VWAP now. I just need Gary to tell me we're going lower. Well, Jared's not in with my trade, but still short the SPY. I might get out of the rest of this. Yeah. I'm out of it. That was that was okay. Made some money on it. Probably not as much as I should have to justify the risk. Tesla's going to lose the View app. It kind of looks like it.
SPY. How's your today, Brian?
Good. So yeah, it wasn't as good as yesterday, but it was good. I'm green. That's the important thing. Oh shit! Yeah, there goes the SPY. God damn it! Where are we headed to with the SPY?
Ah, SPY's heading out, yeah.
Wow, what a drop! Shit! God, I would have been up so much on the on those puts. Oh well, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Look at the Tesla lost the View app.
Wow, yeah, and everything is just completely, yeah.
Oh, nice, nice, Thor. Nice short. There goes Tesla's going down 430, looks like maybe on Tesla.
Wow, NVIDIA is really taking a dive.
I know, it's amazing.
Yeah.
I wish I'd have. Well, all you can say is, Vrul, there were more sellers than buyers. That's what it went. That's why it went down.
Wow. Microsoft is setting off again. Nobody likes Microsoft, huh? All right. So what was good trading day? That was a great trading day. AMD, same thing happened. AMD has some big orders at 215. It's gonna go down. Crypto 66. SPY. Snow. Service now software is continue going down, huh? Hughes. Okay, SPY. Didn't make the all-time high. Today, no all-time high.
Will's playing the Qs with TQQ. You should try trading them with options, Will. Why do you trade options?
Nectar, therapist is gapping up again and KTR. NKTR book map.
There's more selling, more selling, more selling. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, Tesla is selling off. Really, market is really selling off.
Wow, another leg lower on the Qs, another leg lower on the SPY. We're going to go back to PDC today. Look at AMD. Wow. Back to low of day.
Wow, it looks like market doesn't have momentum to stay up. Damn, we just wanted
Yeah.
another all-time high. Is it too much to ask? Just one more all-time high. Yeah, bro,
Any
9 to 10 charts is way too much. I think 4 or 5. Right now, I have 4. And one of them is a SPY. Yeah, 10 is way too much.
Yeah. I mean, I've got 8, but I'm primarily only focused on as we get to the open, I'm probably primarily focused on only 2 or 3. And then as we get further into the session, I keep an eye on the SPY and the Qs.
PLTR is heading down to 130, huh? PLTR is pretty weak.
Yeah, I kind of had if I wasn't trading some Tesla and Nvidia, or Nvidia was my primary interest. Tesla was I was thinking it was also going to be good, but if I didn't have those two, I would have taken PLTR short.
Wow, Nvidia is also heading down. Things are not doing great.
Yeah, too many choices this morning.
Yeah.
All would have worked out.
So what
But
happened? The job
testing,
number was good. That's why the futures rallied. That's why US dollar got stronger. So, Brian, what's your take on that? Can you say something controversy to?
well, like I said, I was surprised that I was surprised the positive labor market numbers caused the market to rally. Because, the labor market has been what the Fed has been worried about, and everybody's been worried about it. And that's the argument that everybody's been making to lower rates. But if these numbers tell you that the labor market isn't a problem, then then what's the then there's no reason to lower rates.
That's why Canadian dollar, US dollar also got stronger, huh? So good news, bad news, bad news, good news. Sometimes good news is good
Yeah.
news.
So like I said, I was surprised when we were popping up, but I guess it's all good.
Chris, what did you trade? Tesla short, nice. As if it- I'm also pretty confused. Honestly, we didn't know this. I didn't know what Federal Reserve is before 2022. Like, these all became relevant after this inflation that we had in 2021. Like, nobody cared about FOMC meeting. It's just the rates were always zero, and then we were just always trading these, sectors and earnings. And then suddenly these guys came and messed up everything. Although not messed up, they brought a lot of volatility.
What's good? It's good for traders.
Exactly. Bitcoin is pretty weak too. All the risk assets are really weak. Guys, Dr. Brett Steenbarger, he's gonna come today. He has a new book published, and he's gonna have a presentation from him. He's my favorite person in the world, honestly. He's a great
I thought I
speaker.
was your fa- I thought I was your favorite person in the world.
You were until you started making these political jokes. You alienated half of the community. Uh, I don't know. I need to end up eventually in front of Supreme Court because of you and Peter. Uh, yeah, I'm joking. Like, jokes. I'm sure everybody in the community knows that these are all jokes. Like really. No, I'm just
Exactly.
kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, it's all joke. But no, Dr. Brett Steenbarger is amazing. Like really, he's a great speaker. Like you don't get a lot of psychologists, uh, you know, that they're also really understand the financial market and trade. And sometimes you get them, but they're really bad speakers. But Dr. Brett Steenbarger or Dr. Reed, Randy Howell, these are some very unique people in the community, trading community. All right, Tesla heading down. Oh, Tesla's going to go red. Can you believe
Yeah.
that?
Why? More selling, more downside. Wow. So I tell you, we're going red on the SPY, which hadn't gotten stopped out of that SPY short.
Wow, it's really going down. Holy moly. Tesla now he has 426 and 425.
Yeah, AMD. Yeah, look at that. It's going to go red. Buying brigade has to come in sometime.
Paris, what are you trading? Shorting Tesla like a boss. Nice. Paris, do you use market atlas as well? Wow, SPY went red.
Yeah, what did I tell you? Told you. I knew it.
Should we buy something on Tesla, Brian? Like previous day close for a bounce or no? This might continue going lower.
Yeah, look at Tesla. Yeah, look at wow, Q's went red. I still think there's the buying brigade's going to come in here some point.
Wow. Holy moly.
What a leak. Wow, look at the SPY. Still no bottom.
SPY. What's Q's doing? Q's at S4. What do you think buying TQQ at I want to buy some TQQ at S4. What do you think? Are you in this with me, Brian?
What are you buying?
TQQ at 5060 for a bounce.
I'm just gonna. I want to look at the. I want to look at the options, the spot gamma, and see where it might be headed.
All right, we're gonna go TQQ 5060. I'm gonna buy some just as a degen trade.
Okay.
I'm bored. Let's get to S4. Wow.
Wow, we're into a hedge wall. 69.40.
Oh, nice. I like walls. All right, I'm gonna buy some TQQ here at 5060.
That wouldn't be a bad because it should come back up.
Nice. Let's see if you can. I'll give it 10 cents. See if you can get 20 cents.
16, 10, 11, 16,
Humanity.
6, 10, call. All right. Well, we'll try some 610 calls on the Qs.
The Q buy.
Yeah.
All right. So you take a reversal with me.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm in at 227. All right. I'm going to sell some at 244. Oh, nice bounce. Sell some more here at 255.
Oh, nice. Oh, Brian, I'm in there with you too. Nice. TQQ 5083. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, perfect. 56.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Good idea.
Oh, beautiful. What?
Sell some more at 270.
Oh, I love it. So Dutch trader is asking what's the pivot pot? Pivot pot is algos that Thor created that give some signals based on the pivot breakout of the pivot points S4, S5. Um, like for example, this one, it says that PLTR at for the break of S4 breakdown. So see PLTR, you look at my 5 minute chart. So see the S4. So you give a signal that is breaking out below S4, could be a short. I
I'm
have
all
some.
out of these. Which calls did I buy? 610s that have expired today. They were pretty much right at the money because I think we were just below 609.
Let's see what happens with TQQ. My average is 50.63. See if you gotta stop that or not. Did we buy the dip in the market, Brian? Did you and I change the market?
I think we did. We might have
Oh,
right
interesting.
at.
Oh, that's interesting. All right, I'm getting out of TQQ.
Yeah, I don't. That's why I got out. I don't know that this is a bottom.
Probably
I
not.
mean, typically the first try, it's usually you don't get a V reversal, so we might have to do some backing and filling.
I think it might hold actually. But that was a good. I made $3,000.
Yeah, it might. It might. You never know. That's right at the Qs are right at S4.
Yeah, Qs. Yeah, SPY and QQQ. Yeah, it's good. That was good. It's a piece of garbage. Microsoft is still sending off, huh? The red Qs went down. Very nice. That was great. Nice, guys. I had three trades, total $27,000. That was really fun. Um, Especially this TQQ was nice. We were not expecting it.
Hmm.
SPY, when IWM is really setting up. That's a.
Yeah, we still got more downside.
By the looks of it.
Yeah.
Ooh. So for the position sizing, you can go up to 75% of your buying power. Of 1 minute is a little bit tricky because it's very volatile. Don't go too big on a 1 minute opening range breakout. If it gets a clear breakout and becomes a 5 minute opening range breakout, maybe you can add more. Adding more is always a good idea. Like for example, here in my trade in NVIDIA, Adding more was really, that's what made me really make big money. So I went long below the VWAP, but as soon as the squeeze is strong above the VWAP, I added more and became more profitable. The problem with the 1 minute is just sometimes it drops too fast that you think you're going to get 10 cents or 20 cents stop loss, but you might not actually get that much. So, and that makes it a very tricky situation. Uh, so Noel, what ticket are you talking about interactive brokers? SMX, SMCI? Well, SMCI is shortable always. Iron, I think, is also shortable with interactive brokers. What's SMX? I don't know what SMX is. SMX might be a little bit tricky. They allowed public company shares. Yeah. I don't know about the SMX. I'll check with the team. SMX doesn't seem that it's shortable, but the other one, SMCI and Iron, should be okay. They're tradable. I have to check with David if ask David if that shortable is updated by uh, interactive brokers or we're different source that we're getting. PLTR is selling off. Microsoft is. Brian, I'm gonna get heat on my puts too. Can you believe that?
No,
Jesus.
say it isn't so. Wow, look at us drop. My God, the humanity.
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah, Tesla's heading to back to 420.
Tesla down, AMD down. AMD's at S4. What's the Atlas on AMD? Has 210, big order at 10.
Wow, we really got knocked here. What
Yeah,
a sell-off.
it's going to
Oh
be
my God.
so funny that at 10 o'clock said, fuck it, I'm out of this place.
Well, yeah, no doubt. Apple's always fighting the trend. Nvidia is still green. Gold is green. GLD.
IWM is really selling off.
Mm.
Where's bottom on IWM? Brian, did you hear that CME Group is going to bring the futures contract for the stocks too? Like you can trade the futures of Tesla, Nvidia, and that kind of thing.
It's crazy.
That's crazy. It brings so much more volatility.
Well, it's just like, come on. Like, how many instruments do we need to trade?
Well, as many instruments that they can take you our money.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Well,
hey,
that's
we,
exactly.
we are a group in Bearable Traders and we want to trade Brian's future. Can you create that one for us? Sure, we're gonna create Brian's future. Prism future.
Yeah,
Ticker PZ.
BZ.
If you want to lose money on that, sure, we are there. We got you.
Yeah, you gotta hodl.
Yeah.
You got to hodl that one.
I don't think so. It's short. All right, so let's go TQQ, guys. Let's go take another reversal. What do you think?
We're looking at S6, which would be about 689 on the SPY, or maybe 607.50 on the Qs.
What a nosedive. Why? What happened? Who said who? Why, Mr. President? Why? All right, NVIDIA is going to go red. Here's another trade, Brian. Buying NVIDIA at the previous day close. Are you in this with me?
Uh, yeah, we could do that.
If you are in this with me, I'm going to do NVIDIA. All right, let's see what NVIDIA is doing in the daily chart. SPY has 688 level. NVIDIA previously closes at 87.84, and then we have 87.30, huh? 188 is a peak order on NVDA. All right, already bouncing back. Too bad we didn't get the NVDA, Brian.
Yeah.
S&P futures are bouncing back. This is a great trading day. Great volatility. PLTR is down 4%. Yeah, PLTR has no chill. It's gonna go down. So the crude numbers are out. I think Wall Street has have access to all of these tools that we are using, and that's what makes it good because everybody is looking at the same thing here. It's pretty easy, guys. I know people started really thinking complex in why the price moves and stuff. Just look at the price. Candlestick is the best for the time and sales is really important, and market atlas. Just do that. Just find the stocks that are going up, buy, and then keep it as long as it's going up. When it doesn't go up, just sell it. As simple as that one. Those TikTok influencers, they introduced it. I don't know why people are getting it confused.
Yeah.
Do you know which video I'm talking about? The TikTok
No.
investors.
No.
TikTok investors, they're really famous. I think Warren Buffett went to learn from them. Stocks buy.
Well, that was a nice bounce. Did you play NVIDIA?
No, I didn't. Let me find that video. Oh, that's really good.
I get stuck in somehow I ended up with long SPY. I don't know, or Qs. I have no idea what I did, but it worked out. That was weird.
NVIDIA did hit previous day close? No, I was waiting for previous day close to get it, but
Anyone catch that bounce? It might have been, eh? It was weird, unless and then somehow maybe DOS didn't
maybe that's didn't work.
transmit to my order. That was banker error in your favor.
I wanted to get long on NVIDIA, but didn't hit the.
Yeah, watch out for the SPY right here, guys. We're at the 9 EMA. This is where we're going to reject. Just as I said, look at that.
On the 2-minute chart, yeah. Ooh, Tesla still is going down, huh?
Back to 420.
Damn it. I wanted to get some NVDA. It's good enough. Not to be. Not to be greedy. Carlos is talking about QVCGP. What the hell is this one? Oh. It's up 164%.
Which one is that one?
QVC group. Is that the QVCP, Queen of
what is that? The online shopping, that television shopping channel.
Yeah, I don't know. Is it that one? QVC group?
I know QVC is where they sell all sorts of crap.
I mean, it used to be like, it's so old generation. Like that one used to be big. I remember that my mom was watching it and stuff, but I mean, not this one, because we had a similar thing. when you run, but now it's there's some industries that are old, like Vegas, for example, casino industry. It's just so yesterday.
Yeah,
Some
it's
industries are,
they're really suffering.
yeah. Like who goes to Vegas for everything overpriced when you can actually place a bet on anything online now these days?
Yeah, that's the thing too, right? I mean, it's I mean, there's so many options for betting. You don't have to go to Vegas. What's the float on QVC?
Floats. We can take a look at it. I actually don't have it. It's pretty low, probably.
It's so low, doesn't exist.
Nice store. How much? What did you trade? Yes, short. Nice, very nice short. Congratulations.
Yeah, it must have been a great day for Thor. He caught that top.
Yeah.
Thor's buying in Vegas. He can take us all to the Sphere.
Oh. Let's see. PLTR is going down again. AMD. Tesla is hitting down. Seems that sell-off hasn't ended, Brian, huh? Seems like it.
No, we did a 920 on the Qs and the SPY.
Tesla is at S4.
I thought you had Dr. Steenberger at right now.
11, 11.
Oh, 11. Okay. Banking it. Amazon bounced right off it.
Yeah. Tesla also seems like it's trying to find the bottom at S4. Again, I don't want to make any other trade, but there could be some opportunities for a reversal.
Yeah, Nvidia was a good idea. It's back up.
Yeah, NVIDIA, I was so close to pull the trigger on NVIDIA, so close.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda. 420. Oh, I was thinking about that Nvidia trade or Tesla trade. Now it's already popped up.
Wow.
Qs and SPY.
Amazing.
See, I knew there was a bottom here.
If you knew, why didn't you tell us, Brian?
Oh, I kept saying there's a bottom here somewhere. Yeah, look at Nvidia. Nvidia's rocking.
Man, that's the biggest trade regret I've ever had. Not ever today. Just look at that. Well, so close to go long at previous day close, but again, I had a good day. I don't know if I want to be super aggressive. Like again, that goes back into the appetite. Like, do you want to take another trade?
Yeah, Apple's been an anti-trend stock for sure.
TQQ add. There's still one TQQ. Oh yeah, TQQ, nice bounce too. Absolutely amazing. Very nice. Oh man, I'm so tired. Oh man, such a beautiful day outside. Chris, what did you trade? Oh, wow, short in Tesla. Nice. Absolutely beautiful. All right, SPY went back green. The Qs are backing back green.
Well, no, not yet, but it's heading there.
Very close, huh? Fed Schmidt is talking. So